is the web application I recently developed. This is the dashboard. Here in the bottom section, like actually the center point, center and middle, the graphic designing part need to be designed, and the client is 224, like some of the different quantities, and also there is some alignment having the issues, but I will align and design it. For the problem is there is an icon. The icon center need to be the text has to be aligned, but the text has been aligned in the bottom margin of the icon, but this has to be fixed. I think I will do that. The dashboard, here is the complete pages, only the few dashboard and the clients and the projects and tasks and payments. Here that this is the dashboard and the client. This is the client page. Client page, first name, mobile, WhatsApp number, email address, notes and profile, status, company details, mobile, WhatsApp, email, company address and the notes. After that, projects, name, price, details, profile. The same thing is applicable. The payment only I have edited, I think, the option button, payment mode, cash, description, amount, date, and the task, projects. The task is like project I need to select it, about which are the project I am currently undergoing project only. Here it will be displayed. Then this is the page list of pages. Okay, in text. This is the app ID, as you know already. App ID, and this is the app. List of material framework I have used for a different kind of components. App.js, I have first start with the React. From React box, I have imported the box elements, grid elements, side menu, dashboard. These are the pages. Dashboard, clients, project, task, payment. Then app bar. Here we can do like this also fine. App bar, toolbar, and the typography. Typography means we using some of the text here. Here is this, like that. App bar completely. This one. Typography icon button. This one. Here you can see the hamburger menu icon button, menu icon from material. We have imported this menu icon from them and we use it. Menu icon we are importing from material UI icons list. The menu only I needed. I declared as a menu icon, so I use it as a menu icon. This is the box layout. The box layout using the router. The router I created one grid for side menu. The side menu This is the side menu. In this side menu, there should be a component dashboard. I have imported the path is /dashboard, then use the components /clients, use the clients component. Here we use it as a pages. The clients first start with the dashboard app.js app.js. First of all, the dashboard. Here you can see route path. I mentioned the path and the component. The component I have imported here. This is the whole structure for the path. Style I have imported. This is for CSS. Custom CSS we can import it. Grid I have imported. Paper, box, home icon. Padding. In this theme typography, body to text style I have used padding theme is some more higher. The point is 4. Color palette secondary. Secondary means blue. Box margin is dense. Margin top and color. I will share with you this coding. In this grid item, 6 fast, 6 means in the mobile there is a 6 column. Mobile phone there should be a 3. Can you see in the mobile there is a 3. As per the screen size I have used this. Home icon I used with the background of this color code. Radius is 30 px, padding is 5 px. This color code. So each icon comes with the border radius and padding is 5 px. This is the style, custom style. Color, font size, padding. Then clients. This client I used extra from the dashboard pages, text field, fab, add icon, button, input type and menu item. Also form control and select buttons. Profile. I am using profile pay as a variable and age is a variable using the React use state. These are the text field coding as follows. Form control, select. Here is the list of items like option buttons and that can come with the menu item. The fab is this one. The plus is the fab. The same code is replicated. Input and select buttons. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please like and comment and share. Please share your any queries further. And also, if you like any kind of videos regarding the Reactjs, please comment in below. Thank you. Here, this is the folder that having the React.js files. You may know that the source file have a src, the source file having the list of files that used in the React.js. In the public, we only having the index file that will have the root ID only. As you know already, I think the source is having the app.js clients dashboard index menu payments projects and the task. I going to run it first of all. I type command cmd cd new and npm start. I need to wait it some time. I minimize and open the Chrome. If you are opened already, you don't need it. Localhost 3000. It takes some more time, I think. We need to wait. Mostly it will take 1 to 3 minutes, I think. In my laptop, I don't know why. If you are good configuration and a good speed, that will be good. See, right now it's taking low.